Hey guys, Mike here. We are headed to the Buffalo Botanical Gardens today with the kiddos. They're back there. We're going to meet some of our friends there for a little afternoon. We're doing a little picnic as well. So come on and join us and we'll have fun. We're just driving there now, so.
Who are you talking to?
Talking to everyone who might be watching, or nobody who is watching. It all depends. Oh yes, you have a Jurassic Park shirt on. Put my Jurassic Park shirt on today to see if, you know, a little foliage action with the jungle and the Jurassic Park. I don't know. I just figured it worked. So. What are you guys excited to see most?
The butterflies.
The butterflies? There's lots of gardens there too. Lots of different plants and stuff like that. So that'll be good.
What does it look like, Dad?
And Grandma said there might be a little play area too, so we'll check that out. So this is Tyler. Oh, hello. Hello there. Here's the Botanical Gardens, which I have not been to, God, a long time. Over a decade, probably. But, yeah. So we made it in. We're going to go find a spot to have our little picnic inside. Natalie swears it's inside. Chips. We got the chips. Yeah, you think so?
Yes, it is.
You know it is, okay.
Yeah, because I
coming,
was in here. I'd have been here, there's only benches.
But yeah, and then they got lots of exhibits inside, and the one the kids are looking forward to, obviously, the butterflies with our friend Izzy.
That one right there.
Nice. Chilling next to bees.
Maybe show them the actual bees. That'd be cool.
You think that'd be a good idea?
Yeah, might be.
How was your picnic?
Good.
Good. You ready to actually see everything else?
Yes.
All right.
Let's move it.
They gave us this little sheet that the kids can use to do a little scavenger hunt. And we've already found one. And we've already found one. Right there with the bees. So we're doing pretty good.
You want to see something cool? Luke, you want to see something cool?
Yeah.
Come here. Okay, if you stand in the middle here, you hear that? Hello. Hello. You can hear me echoing, right? Say something. Say. Say something. Say. You hear that? That's you echoing. Like, hello.
No.
You hear that?
What is that?
It's because of how the dome ceiling, so it like reverberates all around and creates that cool sounding echo. The acoustics.
If you start
I asked you first.
Hello.
Oh, that's real mature, saying exactly what I said. I'm an idiot.
Very cool. All right, where to next? To the rainforest.
Now, do you guys like koi fish? There's koi fish in here.
Oh, there's the fish.
Yeah, there's some days when you
Found
can come
the
in
fish.
early and with a reservation, you can actually feed them.
Yep. Eat the fish, then you do.
So you know that koi fish were actually originally a breed of carp? And koi is literally the Japanese saying for carp.
That makes sense.
Yeah. They just bred them to have
The more you know.
Yeah, they just bred them to have cool colors and patterns.
Look,
Nice.
look how big they are.
Look at that one head.
No,
look at that
that one. Look at that one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, three of them sleeping underneath there.
How deep is it?
Fairly deep. Like if I were to throw you in right now.
It's not that deep for me.
Not that deep for you. I don't know about that.
It could be.
What is
You guys want to go across the bridge?
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa.
That's pretty though. Who would have thought? Right in our backyard, this was here. As I said, I can't even remember the last time I was here, honestly.
Where to go to get some butterflies. Before we go there though, you guys want to see something cool? First of all, there's a caterpillar. We found another one. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So this is a tea house. This has a lot of
Mark it off on your little sheet.
Japanese and
Oh,
Asian
yeah,
based
look.
plants.
The
Other
dogs.
side. Other side. Flip it over.
This is bamboo.
See? You see the check marks?
Yeah.
That's where you're supposed to visit.
So we visited the rainforest. Where's the rainforest?
Find all the caterpillars. There are 12. We did it. We visited the honeybees.
Yeah,
Play space. We kind of passed by because it was right next to honeybees, but you can say you did that. So. Desert house.
Cacti and super dry, toasty hot. I know.
Oh yeah. But dry heat is easier to handle, I feel,
Agree, because
than humidity.
You don't feel like you're swimming through it.
Yeah. Yeah, don't touch them.
Can't touch. They are very spiky.
When you touch them, you are
Exactly.
This guy's cool.
I touched them.
Look at him. Something like you find in the deep sea.
Deep sea.
The deep sea. Very coral-like, our cactuses.
Older but wiser. Michael McDonald.
Hey.
I didn't say anything.
Hey. You're not wrong.
Oh, so you see how this one's turning and looking a bit like wood? That's actually this process right here that they're talking about called corking. It provides protection from all the heat.
Another coral-like one. I like that one.
Next house we walk into.
Look at all the stuff on it. See if I can get this camera. There we go. So cool. Detail. Oh, they've left me. That's right. Going to the play area. It's on your sheet.
And this is the play area.
Oh, look. Presented by Wegmans.
That makes sense.
Some things for kids to do in here.
Of course.
Bees, lots of bees.
Ooh,
We have to pay, okay, Tata?
anti-inflammatory. Oh, that'd be great for my sunburn. Alright. That flies will like smell and be attracted to, and they'll go inside of it, and they'll stick around when they can't climb back out, and it will digest it.
Yes, good job, Luke.
And there's the Venus flytrap.
Yeah. These guys are cool. Remind me of like Pandora,
Lookie's
the
a
Avatar. Look, he's a butterfly. Monarch butterfly, Luke.
Oh,
They got little babies up here. Okay, let's go.
can you guess how hot it is inside the butterfly exhibit currently? It's
I don't know, Dora.
110
How-
degrees.
How hot is it?
110 degrees.
Oh my.
And that's where we're going, kids.
Oh, we put it out in the courtyard. There you go.
I didn't want to be in the sun.
We also, yeah, it's true. Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah, you can walk under that. Each of these plants grew from the pots on the side here.
Oh, nice. Go ahead, Loki. Whoa. It's pretty nice in here, actually. Ooh, hydrangea is my favorite. I love hydrangeas. Remind me of Cape Cod. Oh, that's a nice big space, huh?
Well, so they actually do,
Weddings in here?
They can do, yeah, birthdays, parties, venues.
So the weddings are in here. And the courtyard, probably.
Yep.
Out that way. There we go.
Alright, and push on through. There you go. Go on in, guys. Well, that's a red admiral.
Oh, pretty.
chair. Oh, you know that? There's a buckeye over here too. This one that is pink, remember?
Found one?
That one.
Ah.
Izzy! Izzy,
Oh,
look! The one
Someone we know.
Is it Kirby? It sounded like Kirby.
Oh, that's a buckeye.
He's taking that.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you tell us more about the buckeye butterfly, please?
So this is a common buckeye. So this is an example of masquerade mimicry. You see these spots here kind of look like eyes.
Okay.
Ready.
Land on you. I think he's looking to land on you.
Thinking about it. Oh, look at him go.
Oh.
So he actually has a broken wing. He's doing okay. He just can't fly very well.
As we can
that.
see. Oh, he's on my pew. Woo!
Oh, there you go.
It's my favorite.
I don't want him to get smushed. Something cool about these and any butterfly that has blue or purple on it is that color isn't from a pigment. It's actually a structural color. So it's from like, geez, air refraction is between the scales on the wings. My dear friend, we have to just.
You gotta do it. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Darling, you're gonna get hurt.
Very hot. Put him on the plane.
Nice.
I've got him. Please.
There you go.
Look how much calmer he is now. Never mind, he's having a seizure still.
We released him today. He didn't emerge right. He had a tear in his wing when he first emerged. So.
Poor guy.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt them. They just can't fly very well.
Right. Monarch. Did you say that's the most noticeable butterfly for people?
Yeah, I would say so. It's very easily recognizable.
Right.
So, the one that you see.
Compared to most of them. Oh, there's a bigger one that's right on that leaf up there.
Oh yeah.
This one might be a morphism of the other stuff.
I'm staying away from that.
Over here is the Luna moth. You can see it up there.
Well, we don't have any license in here.
How would you know?
They don't have any viceroys, okay?
They could have
Listen to the
viceroys,
staff
right?
member,
Yeah, yeah,
please.
Process the shipments.
Yeah.
I thought we weren't allowed to touch the butterflies. Excuse me.
I'm allowed to touch the butterflies.
that's weird.
She's staff, okay?
I am.
Get it right.
Oh, because this is a net. It's supposed to have a little hole in it.
That was very close.
Favorite.
Yep, check to see if you have any butterflies.
No, I can
Let me see, Luke, you turn around.
I think
You're good. What about me? I got
I
any?
think you're good.
No.
We'll see anybody
No.
out there.
All right.
Here, 1 second.
Yeah, wait, wait.
Who is my son?
The red admiral, they fly kind of crazy.
Woo.
I want a chocolate tree and I want to eat it.
Oh, look, Natalie.
Another caterpillar.
Another caterpillar.
And so these flowers, though, will bloom and then they'll slowly become this type of fruit here. And then inside is that, and inside those are cocoa nibs, which that's where chocolate comes from.
You know, the chocolate you guys love.
Just less sugary.
Yeah. All right, Luke. What'd you think of all the plants?
I love them.
Okay. What about the butterflies?
I love them.
What was your favorite part?
Doing the wrapping around.
Good. You, Natalie?
I like the butterflies and being here, and I like the butterflies.
The butterflies.
Around.
Sounds good.
Personally, for me,
Yeah. What did you like?
I really liked the butterfly keeper lady. She was.
Oh,
pretty
is that
cool.
what you liked?
Yeah, very attractive.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
I'm gonna
We're
tell
dating.
Sarah.
Oh, right. Yeah.
I'm gonna go
Whoa.
tell her.
Some dude is hitting
Oh, no,
on
your
me.
partner's hitting on you.
Sarah.
Clip her hair in the gift shop. You got these cool stickers. I love my flowers. We're back of our car. We always put stickers on wherever we go. We always put stickers wherever we go.
Can we get one of these?
No, we
Why?
didn't get anything. Just because we went somewhere classic. Well, this is cool though. Butterfly garden. I remember doing those as a
I
kid.
want to get one of those.
Maybe we can get one next year. All right, that was it. Just finished the Buffalo Botanical Gardens. It was pretty nice. What do you guys think?
It's fun. And look, a bee over there.
Yes, we just learned about bees, and there is one. What was it so hot in there?
It was so
Oh, it
hot.
was so hot in there. You guys.
And now we have refreshing water.
Now we have refreshing water.
Whoever's watching, have a great day.
Nice.
I really like the butterflies. They're kind of cool, and I like them.
You like the
I
butterflies?
really like the butterflies, and I like it's close to rain right now, and I like the toy area.
The toy area, of course. So thank you for following along in our life, and now it's time to go live yours.